The larger zone is going to be down here at around 271. And then the big mamma jamma, that's going to be down here at 234. Nice. I love that. Okay. Buyers are holding this first pullback so far. Now we've got a break of the structural cycle to the downside. This is where you expect to see this if the bulls are going to hold. Looking at volume, it's still down at, or mid at 14,351. Retesting support area down here. I'd like to see them dig down into here. There we go. Nice little test. So this is the continuation spot where it makes a little bit more sense. We've got the bear cycle out of the way. It makes a lot more sense to want to be a bull here. First objective off at the top of the cycle. We'll see if they can break through and get a little bit more. Tried to rebuy that dip, but didn't get a fill. And the bulls are cycling higher. All right, they've got to try to chunk through these 18s. There's a lot of volume here. There we go, 25s. Oof. Whoa. Okay, I'm just going to take my exit on that back off there. Thanks. Nice little push of support. I didn't get the extra contracts. I would reduce one anyway on that resistance. Nice little bounce. But you can see how timing the cycle here was very important. We knew the support was there, but we've got to wait. Ooh, POC back down. Hang on now. I'm all kinds of sound effects. I'm hyped today, man. We got Detroit later. Ooh, baby.